Good evening, YouTube. This is your boy Eat That Pussy 445, and about like 30 to 45 minutes ago, I found this article on wikihow titled "How to Act Like Naruto," and I thought I should share this very educational article with you guys. Step number 1: play pranks on others. By the way, the images they used, 10 out of 10. Absolutely perfect. Just look at them. So good. Anyways, try playing light-hearted pranks on other people, like prank calls or practical jokes, to mimic Naruto's trickster side. That seems easy. Yeah, I think I can do that, yeah.
Hey buddy, your shoes are untied.
お前はもう死んでいる。何?
Light-hearted pranks, everyone.
Okay, after that, I feel like my chakra is increasing. I feel like I can definitely become a ninja. So here we go. Step number 2. Move quickly and rush through things. Adopt Naruto's hyperactive personality by running and generally moving very quick from place to place and activity to activity. Try Naruto's typical running style by tilting your head and upper body forward and putting your arms straight back behind your body to run forward. Basically, just do the Naruto run, which is not new, it's not funny, probably all of you have already seen it done. I'm not gonna do it, okay? It's fucking retarded. I'm just not. Oh, fuck me. Step number 3. Make friends out of your rivals. Be friendly to others and recognize that rivals or enemies can become your friends if you find something in common with them. You know what? I think I got the perfect rival for myself.
Hey, can I sit down?
No.
Okay, thank you. So listen, buddy, like about yesterday, I'm really curious about like what you think. I beat you up. Are we like rivals now? And am I Naruto or are we like Sasuke? Like you know, like are we rivals now, buddy?
Dude, what the fuck?
No, I mean I just want to be your friend. No,
What?
no. I mean, you know, like rivals, dude. Oh no, Sasuke is deserting the village. I must go Kakashi-senpai. Kakashi-senpai, it's me, Naruto. Sasuke is deserting the village. You must help us.
Wait a minute. You're not Naruto, you fucking faggot.
What?
Step number 4. I know the numbers are fucked up, that's okay. Eat ramen noodles. Try Naruto's favorite food, ramen, which he's shown eating all the time in the manga and anime. Okay, now listen people, I know, hardest step so far, but do not worry. Do not worry everyone, I repeat. Today, I will be teaching you guys how to make ramen like a professional.
Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Mr. Pillow. Today we are going to be preparing some very premium ramen. First off, you're gonna need one of these things. And now you just wanna smash the ramen like it's your stepsister's pussy. Don't forget some water though. There we go everyone. Now you might think we're done. That is if you're a fucking normie. I like my ramen extra spicy. And you know what they say, the best spice is chocolate pudding. Yeah, give your meat a good old rub. Yeah,
Yeah, boy.
Here we go everyone. The final step. Step number 5. Probably the most crucial step to becoming Naruto. Wear Naruto's signature headband. Buy or make your own headband to look like the one Naruto wears, which features a spiral design on a piece of metal. Okay, now you might think we're gonna buy a headband. No, we're not, okay? Buying a headband, that's fucking normie shit, okay? We're gonna make our own. And I'm gonna show you guys how to. Hey kids, welcome to art class with Mr. Pillow. Today we are going to be drawing the very iconic Naruto headband. The things you will need are 2 colored pencils, 1 silver and 1 black, 1 scissor and some tape. Now let's put it all together. You're gonna start off by drawing 2 horizontal lines going next to each other. Now you wanna draw 2 vertical lines at around the middle point. Good job. And now for the final step, you just need to add the Hidden Leaf Village's logo. Nice job everyone. Now you can cut out your drawing. At this point you might be thinking, but Mr. Pillow, my head is too fucking big, dude, like it's not gonna fit. Don't worry my man, do not worry, I got a simple solution for you. You're gonna cut 2 pieces of tape and
Now you just wanna tape this bitch all over to your fucking head. There we go. Very nice everyone, very good. Listen, I can feel my power surging. I feel like I'm becoming Naruto. The Hidden Leaf Village is being under attack. I must protect it from the normie memes.
Five minutes later.
Okay, you know what? Fuck this. Fuck Naruto. Don't be Naruto, guys. Fuck it.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and sharing it with your friends. Also special thanks to UMan420 and Tollman. You can find UMan420's twitch.tv and YouTube channel down in the description below. Also don't forget to follow me on twitch.tv/MrPillow5, twitch.tv/MrPillow5, twitch.tv/MrPillow5.